Yes, so my correct people, I don come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. The koko be say Wike former aide don dey yarn say the love and support wey Governor Fubara dey get none of them wey im buy, say all of them na genuine. Based on Fubara leadership style and im policy na make people love am, no be any other thing. No be small koko my correct person. Before I dive into the matter properly, I wan first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside this channel now dey like give una only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to the channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come out correct person, you dey get the update sharp sharp. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Yes, so my correct people, back to the koko of the hour. One man wey im name na Opunabo, he na former special adviser on media to the past governor of Rivers State. He don dey yarn o say Governor Siminalayi Fubara dey enjoy organic support for inside the Rivers State because of im leadership style and the policies wey im don plaster for im administration. Opunabo come dey yarn dis one now for inside one media briefing like that for inside Port Harcourt wey be the state capital of Rivers State. He come still yarn say dis administration of Governor Fubara e dey very very different from the administration wey im bin serve under. And my correct person, the administration wey im serve under before na the administration of the former governor wey be RI0USLY wey don become the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory. He say Governor Fubara im don display better tolerance and im don maintain peaceful deposition for the face of provocation. That means no matter the kind katakata wey come, the man dey fight all of them bomber to bomber and im dey resolve all of them with peace. And this one na be the difference between him and Wike. No be small koko my correct person. Opunabo wey be the former special adviser on media to the past governor and him too na still the public affairs commentator. So if to say im don yarn finish, e for no sweet at all, but im still dey yarn say the political crisis now wey dey engulf the state, as in wey the state dey pass through now, na because of say Fubara don realize wetin people of the state dem go through under the governance of RI0USLY. So now Fubara come say okay, dis im policies now wey introduce na to make sure say the people of Rivers State dem fit breathe well. According to how the talk take come out from im mouth my correct person, im say the thing shock the former governor wey be RI0USLY because im bin dey think say im go do third ten ure for the office by proxy, but the person now wey come succeed am wey be Fubara, im know too well the kind suffer wey the Rivers State people e don pass through for the last 8 years. So im come decide now say dis im policy dis im administration na to remove the Rivers State people from the mountain of despair and frustration wey the former administration don put the people inside. And you see this present governor now wey be Sir Fubara, he na Wike director of finance and administration when im bin dey for inside office before im come resign. Then im come become the accountant general of the state. No be small thing o my correct person. Opunabo wey be the former media aide of Wike still dey yarn o say Sir Fubara im no do anything wrong, as in im no commit any offence wey go warrant impeachment notice by the State House of Assembly. Even if they no wan even bring out better reason of their failed action, they just go dey bring impeachment notice wey be say the man no do anything. Yes, so they don fail and Opunabo dey happy well well. Say the governor wey be Fubara im dey continue to dey come up with people orientated policy, as in policy wey sweet people well well despite all the distractions wey dey come from here and there, to and fro, up and down. Everybody now for inside the Rivers State dem dey very much aware of wetin Sir Fubara dey do since im become governor. Im don approve different employment into the civil service. Im don even promote civil servants dem and im come even increase salary of local government workers. No be choice. Inside last December now, im approve the payment of 100,000 naira Christmas bonus to all the civil servants wey dey inside the state. And this kind thing wey the man dey do na be the people orientated programs, na be the policies wey be say people want, and na the policies wey dey sweet the people well well. Tell me why they go fight against am? Tell me why they no go back am up if any katakata come board? Like this now my correct person, the love and support wey Governor Fubara dey enjoy no be because say dem love am as im just become governor, na because many Rivers people dey believe say im go do well, im go continue to dey do well for inside the Rivers State. According to how Opunabo dey explain on top the matter, he say because of the new policies now by Governor Fubara and other things say the love for the governor e just dey increase on a daily. But e bin get a time for inside Rivers State wey be say the people dey frown face, dey think say Governor Fubara go continue on the way of a master wey be Governor Wike. Dey think say go dey follow Wike footstep, but when they don see the change, they come say, oh, thank God o, say the era of that Wike ten ure e don pass o. E come be as if na that prayer point make Wike ten ure for do end, and the ten ure now e don true end. E come even get one event like that wey Governor Fubara come at ten d. Based on how people take show up, him come dey ask himself, shebi now these people wey turn up now, they go come think say dem go bribe dem to come. E no be like that. The people wey show up now, they show up genuinely because say they don already approve Governor Fubara as their governor, and with the kind policy wey Governor Fubara don plaster for him administration, na to show say him mind dey for the people. So therefore, why they no go back am up? So the love and the support now for this current administration na organic something, na natural because of im policy and im leadership style. Many people now, as this koko come board, they agree with wetin opunabo dey yarn, say no be lie, say Fubara im mind dey, the man too good. If to say everybody for inside the state just be like Governor Fubara every year for just stew for the Rivers State, I think many people of our country people come dey yarn. Why some come dey yarn say make dem no forget say Wike plaster so many flyover for inside the Rivers State o. Him fix some kind road dem, na make dem come call am Mr. Project, and the kind project wey him handle, they no call am the name for nothing. So when dem dey yab am too, make dem dey create space to take praise am because the man him try. So my correct person, how you see the matter? Anyhow the koko be you for body, you know how e dey be, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But no be lie, you my correct person, you and I know very well say Governor Fubara, yes, the man na good man o. The policies wey he don display so far, the people of Rivers State, they are very grateful. They dey pray to God every day, say thank God o, say Governor Fubara don come board o, hey thank God o, the man policy dey help o, all this kind of stuff. We know that one for sure. But on infrastructure, we never see anything wey he don do yet. E no be like Governor Wike. Make we just tell ourselves the truth. Governor Wike now, he get as im policy be, fine and good, but when it comes to development, when it comes to infrastructure, they no give am Mr. Project for nothing. Now make we check am well well, we go see am say yes, the man try. He na person be say he dey do those sticks and carrot something, he go reward the good, punish the people wey offend. You understand? Na so im policy just be. And I know very well say wetin make the Rivers State people dey para for Wike well well, because they don dey even dey call am Judas, say he don betray well well, say he go sell Rivers State give Tinubu because of say he wan become minister of the FCT. That is, he exchange Rivers State for the seat of minister for inside FCT, and that one now that make people dey para for am well well for inside the Rivers State. But wetin make now him come dey fight Fubara na another question wey we come dey ask for inside the Rivers State, wey we come dey ask for inside the political matter. Make him let the man breathe. Na wetin Rivers State people now dey yarn. Free the man, make him perform, leave am alone. Wetin him do you? Nothing. So na so the koko be like, my correct person. Anyhow the thing be you for body, I don yarn am before and I go yarn am again. Na free, drop am inside our comment section. We no dey charge money for that one. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, where we dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, and correct person, you dey get the update sharp sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too, they go get updates of wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.